Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Crunchyroll application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the account option down below, which is the last option. Scroll down to the app experience section and click on notifications. Here you can turn on the general updates, meaning that you will get notifications about product updates and new feature announcements. You can also turn on content updates about new episode alerts and show recommendations tailored for you. And there is the last function, promotional updates, meaning that you will get latest offers from Crunchyroll and their partners as well. Click on the relevant button that you want to turn on, click on yes, enable notifications. Now you will be directed to your phone's settings where you need to allow the app to have access to your notifications. Tap on allow notifications, and if you go back to the application you will be able to turn on these notification functions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.